Good morning, children. So, how are you all? I hope you all are good, isn't it? So, children, today we are back again with the next part of your chapter, and today we are going to discuss about number one is your copying a file or folder, number two is your moving a file or folder, number three is your deleting a file or folder, and number four, restoring deleted files and folder, and number five is your deleting the files or folder permanently. So first one is your copying a file or folder. Copying a file or folder, the first point is open this PC and select the location where your file or folder is saved. Step 2, select the file or folder to be copied. Step 3, click on copy button from the home tab. Step 4, now select the new place in which you want to copy a selected file. Step 5, click on paste option. To copy a file or folder, we will move to the this PC icon. Now double click on that to open. Now you could see over here three drives disk is there, local disk C, D and E. So wherever you have stored your file, you will click on that icon to open. Okay, now we have created our we have created our file in local disk E, so we will now double tap on that to open it. Now you could see last class, I hope you might have remembered that we have created two folder, that is new folder and the Xavier folder. So in the new folder I have stored one file over here. Now you could see that it is written annual examination 2017. So click select that one, and after that in the home tab you can see the copy option is present. Just click on that. Now your file has been copied. Again move to the local disk E and go to the Xavier folder. Now double tap on that to open. Now you could see it is written this folder is empty. Now what you will do, again go to the home tab and click in the paste option. Now your file has been copied. Understood, children? Now you might have remembered the shortcut key for the copy and paste. You could do through that also. Now what is the shortcut key for copy? That is Ctrl plus C, and the shortcut key for paste is Ctrl plus V. Okay. Moving a file or folder. So to move a file or folder, your first point is to open this PC and select the location where your file or folder is saved. Step 2, select the file or folder to be copied. Step 3, click on cut from the home tab. Step 4, now select the new folder in which you want to copy the cut file. And step 5, click on paste. Part is your moving a file or folder. So to move a file or folder, again we have to move to the this PC. Now select the icon and double tap on it to open it. Now again we will go to local disk E. Select that. Go to the new folder. Now the next which I have created a document, that is chemistry behind fermentation. Now what you will do, first select that one. After that just see here is a cut option. Now to children, to move a file we have to use the cut option. Now click on the cut option that is present in the home tab. Now you could see that the file has been cut. Okay, now we will go to the move to the local disk E again and come to Xavier folder. Double tap to open it. Now here you will find the paste option is active in the home tab. Click on that. Now you could see the chemistry behind fermentation has been copied over there. Okay. Deleting a file or folder. Your first point is select the file or folder to be deleted. Step 2, from the home tab, click on delete in the organized group. So our next part is your deleting a file or folder. So again we will move to this PC option, double tap to open it. Now move to the local disk E. Now we have created two files over here. Now how to delete that one, just see annual examination. First we will click on this. After that you could see a cross mark is there in the home tab. So what you will do, as soon as you are clicking on that, it has been deleted. Now you could see over here it is written this folder is empty. That means your file has been deleted. Okay. Restoring a deleted files or folder. To restore it, step 1, double click on recycle bin icon on the desktop. Point number 2, select the file or folder that you want to restore. Step 3, click on restore the selected item from the manage tab. So how do you restore? We have to move to the recycle bin option in the present in the desktop. Double tap to open it, right mouse button. After that you could see there are various types of files have been stored over here that has been deleted. So last what we have deleted, that is your annual exam 2017. So for what you will do now, click on that. After that you can see over here in the manage tab, it's written over there, restore the selected item. So click on that and it will be restored. Just see, it has been deleted from your screen over there. Now we will go to the local disk E and you will find that it will be present over there. Just see, again it has been present over here in the local disk E. Why? Because it was deleted from the local disk E itself. Understood now how to delete and how to restore? Very good. Deleting a file or folder permanently. Step 1, open the recycle bin. Step 2, click on recycle bin icon from the manage tab and your icon or the file will be deleted permanently. So to delete a file permanently from the computer, we have to go to the recycle bin option. Double right click the mouse button and it will be open to you. Now you could see over here it is written CBSE class 12 chemistry note. So what we will do now, we will select that and press the right mouse button. And you can see it is written over 3 options are present: restore, cut and delete. Now click in the delete option. Now your dialog box has been opened. Are you sure that you want to permanently delete this file? We will click on the yes button. Now this file has been permanently deleted from the computer.